So far, I've placed headlines at the top of the sales page, and I've placed a section here where I talk about the problems that my potential customers may have had. And now the next section is where I'm going to introduce myself and talk about the success that I've had. So this button right here, I'm not going to delete it yet. For now, I'm just going to move it. So I'm just going to drag this down. And also drag, well, it says here, no worries, we have a 30-day money back guarantee. Sure, I'll just drag this down as well. I'll move it below that button. Okay, so from here, this is where you could put your picture. And to do that, I'll just quickly show you how. You just click on this where it says image, and then you would add image. But I've already shown how to add an image, so I'm going to cancel that. One thing you could do is you could go to advanced and you could change the layout. So instead of having your image first and the text, you could have it reversed and have the text and then the image. Okay, but let's just put it back to the default. So there's quite a few things you could do here. For the image radius, you could add a circle. I think it's already a circle, or you could add round corners or just have nothing on there. So let's say you want round corners. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so it's basically a rectangle. Okay, you could have a border, you could have a shadow. Let's skip that for now. And let's just edit the content here. So let's just say my name is John Doe. And here you could put your qualifications. And I'm just going to change the font size. Okay, and I'm just going to go to my sales letter draft here. Okay, so the headline for this section is, but there is good news. So maybe I should add a headline here. I'm just going to clone this. And then I'm going to add a headline. And let's see what that headline is again, but there is good news. Okay, and then I'm just going to delete this section up here. And then I'm just going to replace this text. So just go back to the sales page here, or the draft. I'm just going to copy that, go here, and paste that onto here. And just format it. Okay, and save it for now. So now let's go back to our Word document and let's see what's next. Okay, so I see that there's just going to be quite a few more paragraphs and sub-headlines that I'm going to have to put onto the sales template. And I've already shown you how to put in headlines and paragraphs. So rather than recording all this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to put all these paragraphs and headlines in. And then in the next video, I'm going to record myself putting in the testimonials.